Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We have another red oak on here today. It's 17 and a half feet, almost 18 feet long. You know what? I'm going to double check that. I take that back. It's 17 foot long, 13 inches, and about 14 and a half. Looks like about 81 board feet it plays. So we're cutting this into an 8x8 beam. Then we have two little logs for red oak that are probably 13 or 14 inches in diameter. One's going to be 1.5 inch boards, and the other one, I believe I figured it's going to be camp material, 4x4s, because it's only 80 inches long, and I make my camps 40 inches. So that's going to work out perfect. So we're all set. The bride's out here today to help. I don't think she's going to be able to pull these off. These are going to be heavy. I'll help her with those. And I got the saw out, so we'll cut those to length also. All right, guys. Party time. We have a nice new Stellite fan. It has like just a couple of cuts on it. We broke one the other day. Nope, man. Just slide it.
Okay. Wow. That's huge.
Let go. Wow, very nice. Not a knot in it. Man. All right, let's clean this up and give them a good view of this. Okay. This turned out really nice. Grab your scraper. Let me pull this back on. Wow, this thing turned out amazing. As she's cleaning this, I'll give you guys a good view of what it looks like. Oh, what a piece of lumber. This might be my favorite piece that I've milled in a couple of weeks.
Very excited.
Wow, there is not a knot in this thing on these two sides. One little knot there. Yeah, just a couple.
Yeah, but they're not there.
Nothing. Wow. Very nice. That would have graded out really well. What do we got here? We got an 80-inch log, not quite on that bunk, so when we get it square, I'll throw one of those bunks underneath it. 4x4s we're cutting, ribbing. Was on a bolt. Oh well, it's just dunnage. I didn't realize it wasn't straight.
Oh.
It's gonna have. Guys, the mill ran really well, and I got some help today, and it made things go by a lot faster. Literally, I think it almost cut your time in a third when you have a second person out here.
Yeah.
But we did. That 18-foot or 17-foot beam, 8x8, turned out beautiful. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I hit this mill. I built the extension on this mill. When you buy a mill, the basic package is right behind Jill. It goes right to here, and you can get close to 11 feet. And then I added another 8 feet of extension to allow us to do that. But then we ran 1.5-inch boards, and then that other log was short. When I cut that, I couldn't cut it in half. I'm trying to keep 8 feet 6-inch boards for the guy. So that had an 80-inch piece left, which was perfect. for our cribbing, because I'm cutting them at 40 inches, 40 to 42 inches at cribbing. So that'll do it, guys. Hopefully you like the content.
Have a good one. It was fun to get back out here again.
Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.